Okay, welcome to Marketing Issues 1. I just want to show you a little bit as to how to maneuver in this web page. This is just for marketing issues, but we have it split so that you have your study weeks here and your course-specific information here. Please go through this course-specific information. I won't go through it right now, but that is up to you to do on your own. If you click on Study Weeks, then you will come to a list of what we have planned for the semester. You may just have the introduction week at this point, depending on how much I have posted and ready to go. But what you do is you have the title here, a brief description as to what you are going to be doing that week, and then you have your assignment. And I'll just click on the assignment. And here the assignment is to introduce yourself. Here I would like you to go down to the reply button, where you push, and you will see, just as the diagram says here, press on that logo, and then you will be able to record and upload media. Here it shows you a camera, and you have to have the right software in order to use this. It's Flash. You have to upload it before you have access to this camera, so please get Adobe Flash before trying this. And then also you will need to give the right credentials to your computer to be able to have access to your camera and your microphone. Alright, and then when you're all done, you upload it, and you can then take a look at your other colleagues and what they have done to introduce themselves. My video is already there. You can take a look at that also if you would like. But I look forward to seeing your posts, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.